Okay, everybody, good morning. We are here, not at Machu Picchu, but in the vicinity of Machu Picchu. We got up super early this morning, took an hour-and-a-half bus ride to a 2-hour train ride, and we're about to hop on another bus after we just had some breakfast. So we're gonna go and see the seventh wonder of the world, Machu Picchu. So it should be pretty awesome. We're all looking forward to it. So come and join us.
Big guy.
Hey, don't call him that.
Hey, big guy.
Don't call me that. I have a name. He came skipping over the big guy, and the little guy just stood there like, eh.
I'm not afraid of you. Who gave him that sweater?
It fits him well.
It does. Little Inca dog.
Little sphincter dog.
I said Inca, but whatever.
We're walking to the magical mystery bus. They're coming to take us away. Ho ho, ha ha, hee hee. El autobús. We have to wear the masks, by the way, Peruvian law. And they gotta be double, too.
Mine's not double.
Ooh, I'm telling you. Oh, you can't wear shorts on these buses.
Oh,
Well, we just got on the bus, about a half hour now, which I was guessing it would be about a half hour to Machu Picchu from here. So we're off and running. Let's see the beautiful Machu Picchu. Well, we are here at Machu Picchu finally. This is it. And we've got what I understand to be a 2-hour tour. You have beautiful mountains, what I can see so far, lush and green. So it should be pretty fascinating. Looking forward to it. I put it on my bald spot. Perfect. I want to go this way. Ah. Hey, I'm good at this.
Hey.
Oh, the sweat? Action.
Well, here we are at the top. Check it out. This is it. This is what we came here for. This is why we're exerting ourselves. Was it worth it? I think so.
Yeah.
For sure. I mean, you know, how could you come here and not go all the way?
And he didn't toot once up there.
I did not toot once. I didn't even burp. I did hiccup once or twice. Other than that, that was good. We'll wait till after we eat. Then I'll entertain you with some, I'll serenade you with music. Time flies when you're having fun.
Sabemos el motivo, ¿no? Es un nombre actual ya que le dan a la ciudad. Profesora.
He's sunbathing. Hello.
I like to keep track of them for some reason. Make sure he's paying his taxes. Puccino.
It's a puccino. Now go pet that llama. Oh, no.
Hey, llama. How's your mama? Ooh, he's so furry.
He likes you.
Oh, don't spit on me. You like that massage, don't you?
Oh, he likes it. Oh, no. You touched his sensitive spot.
Oh wait, I'm losing my pantalones again. Well, we hiked the wrong bunch of cut. Start again, I can't get the words out. Alright, well we climbed all over Machu Picchu, had some incredible views, incredible shots, and we're gonna now stuff our faces because we are worn out and starving. So we're gonna walk around the pueblo, the village of Machu Picchu, and see what we can come up with. Come on, let's do it. Well, we just took the bus back from Machu Picchu, and we're sitting down for an early lunch. We got off to an early start today, so we could use a good lunch right now. One of the things we ordered would be a Cui pizza. So a pizza with guinea pig meat on it. So that should be pretty exciting to see what a guinea pig pizza looks like and tastes like. Promises to be delicious. All right, our Cui pizza has come, but let me explain. This half is Cui, so this meat is guinea pig. This is jamon, or ham. So it's half guinea pig and half ham. Because Emily wasn't sure if she's gonna be able to stomach the Cui. Last night, by the way, I was the only one who ate the guinea pig. Juliet would not, and Emily would not.
This looks way more delicious than what you were eating.
The guinea pig sawed in half.
Yeah.
Deep fried and sawed in half.
And what do you have?
Pasta al forno con pollo, which is chicken. So I got 2 pieces of chicken breast. I'm not sure what this is. Let's try it and see.
Breast.
Oh, this is good. like a nacho, like cheese nacho. Oh, it's so good. I wasn't expecting that. And that is a bolognese,
Bolognese.
which means the meat is probably beef, not guinea pig. Well, I've got a slice of pizza with the qui on it. Some qui pizza. It still has that guinea pig flavor, obviously, but the little strip of meat seasoned differently, I think you'll find it more palatable than what I was having last night. It might as well just be ham, honestly. Yeah, because it's such a thin slice of meat. You can still taste the guinea pig, but it's very thin, not a big chunk of meat. Well, this is more palatable. The thing was the queen meat is very oily, very fatty meat with oil, that is. And I just don't like a lot of oil in my meat. The flavor, the fact that it's a guinea pig, that didn't bother me at all. But all that oil, it just, was a little hard to take.
Well, I like what you said before. Like, why would you eat guinea pig when you have other options?
Yeah, unless you are just adore the flavor. I mean, more power to you.
Okay. Yeah, it's not bad. The pizza tastes like Chuck E. Cheese pizza, but that's okay.
Fire extinguisher can be found in the service area. In accordance with Peruvian law, smoking inside the train car is prohibited. The restroom is located in the back or front of each car. To avoid
That's the party. There's your party. Don't say you didn't get one. Watching me. The snake is watching me? That's all right. I like snakes. We're waiting for another train to pass by. My nipple. Here we are in Panama. We've returned from our whirlwind tour of Peru. We hit several cities. We went to the Amazon, had an excellent time. Went to Machu Picchu. We had a lot of culinary experience in Peru. It was awesome. And we're back here in Panama now. So stay tuned for our series. And there are many cooking episodes coming up as well. Will I use exotic ingredients? I don't know. Stay tuned. You'll find out. As always, take care and hasta lasagna.